Oh, Joey, I forgot to show you. Took out a full-page ad in Backstage. How to get the wheels in motion.
Joey. What kind of music is that for a man almost 30 to be listening to?
House. Toho.
Let's talk about the money situation.
Got $5, 47 cents. 47 cents.
Give me the $5. Keep the 47 cents. You better start to earn some money.
Okay.
Disappointed in the type. You know, the type doesn't match the content.
It's very good. That's nice to say.
Hi, Matthias.
Oh, no.
Small world.
Fuck off.
What are you doing?
Actually, we have to run. My new client.
Client?
Yes, my client.
You write a book.
Yes, Joey. I'm a literary agent, and he wrote a book. Elliot Ardsley, these are my acquaintances. Joseph Crimple and Timmy, what's your second name? Smith.
But you probably know me by my stage name, Bart Avon.
Bart Avon.
I think he's joking.
No. You know, like the Bard of Avon.
How clever of you.
Yeah. Elliot's my new client. He's from L.A.
The coast.
That's right. His father's the producer who just bought the rights to his novel. Right now, Elliot's working on a TV movie of the week about the Vietnamese boat people.
That's a very noble thing to write about. Well, my father got me the job. I'm gonna try to do my best. It's really rather banal.
Oh.
Have you ever thought about collaborating? You know, perhaps you'd like to meet with me. Got a lot of very interesting ideas.
I'm an actor.
You know,
I can play Orientals.
Yeah, I would like to meet with you.
like to.
Why not? Why not?
Okay.
Well, we were just looking at an article about Elliot in Interview magazine.
Writers on the move, Elliot Ardsley comes of age. That is great. That is really great. That is really, really great.
Look, we really do have to run, I'm afraid.
All right, well, I am really looking forward to our meeting then.
And I'm an actor juggler mime.
So we'll
So long, Bard Avon. Doing it!
Yes. I've done it, Joey.
What?
I've changed my life.
How?
My play got accepted with a very good theater company in England.
England.
Aren't you gonna hug me?
Yeah. That's great. That's great. That's great. But I mean, you know, what if, you know, you might want to stay here. You might want to, you know, I mean, things could pick up for you. And, you know.
No, this is a great opportunity for me. This is something I've been waiting years for. I have to go.
It's just, I kind of thought, you know, you could always sort of be around forever, you know, and...
Whatever made you think that? Joey, you look like how I feel inside sometimes. You know that novel you're always telling me about? Does that really exist?
I've told you that exists. I'm writing it right now with a very famous author, you know, Elliot Ardsley. It's in this month's Interview magazine. I told you about that.
Why lie?
Why?
I mean, it doesn't matter to me or to anyone if you haven't written anything.
I have?
Let me just once see your work.
Oh, I will.
Well, when?
You know, soon.
Well, when?
Next week.
Okay, it's finished?
Yeah,
Next week.
finished. Show it to you next week.
Dorothy Dickinson, dutifully dusting, daintily diligent, dark and demure,